Yo students, are you ready to make your own intermix or mix show? If so, listen to this. See this picture. What do you see? You see audio tapes. I know audio tapes is not popular today, but it was. See more of it there. I'll bring it to you closer to know that this is a tape that it was recorded from radio, or maybe recorded from mixshow. You know the mixshow is still on, but it may not be popular. But you see, back in time, at your time, this one is a deck tape player. It's used to copy it from there to there, but you can copy it straight to your computer. Again, ready to make your own intermix or mixtape, because this is a presentation for you and your other students who are interested. It is not really a mix show, it's just your own leisure to listen to the public. Please follow directions right here. Now, what do you see? Sound recorder, volume control, and recording control. You see there, it looks like it's set up already there. Now, did you test out with the sound recorder? If so, you are good to go. You're really good to go. My next presentation is, are you ready to put on audio recorder? Yes, I'm sure ready to put it on my audio recorder because I already set it up and tested it out already. There is no limit how much you want it. It's not only one tape, it's maybe different kinds of tape to make it a intermix or a mix tape. You press the play button on your tape and press the record button on the computer. I know it doesn't have all the words fit in that screen, but you know that you put it on the computer to record from it. It's just exactly like sound recorder, but I'm talking about audio recorder. If sound recorder is good on Windows Vista, then there's no limit on that. Really no limit. If you want to change the tape, quickly press the pause button. Go back to the, you'll see, go back to computer. If you are done, press the stop button and save your project now. Really save your project so you don't lose your project. Make it, I know it takes long, but really be patient. Really be patient so your thing can be so nice. Thank you for listening and good luck how to do it yourself. Good luck.